Kota on the go.
Ooh,
Kota's gonna edit on the go. Come through the back, bro.
Setup, man.
Mobile setup, always.
Hey, let's set my game up.
I told you, we'll just move in here. We'll set up the studio in here.
Kota's editing.
Thanks for the baby.
Thank
On
you.
the daily.
Itadakimasu!
Kota got his camera and his computer. Great.
I'm filming and editing.
Dude. Subscribe to Kota the Yoda.
Did you see the comment say
15K.
Kota is taking 5 days to edit 3 hours video? Like, hey, it's not that easy.
No, guys.
Like you think.
Kota estimates 1 hour per 1 minute. So if you guys want him to make a 20-minute vlog, it's gonna take him at least 2
Yeah,
days.
past 5 days I've non-stop working on cars. Barely I can film.
So Kota decided to take my seat because it was a proper setup.
Yeah.
Top
Secret
top
stuff,
secret.
man.
Editing.
Only 3
What's
clicks.
up, Rob?
Oh, picking up another 240.
Hey, spoiler alert.
How excited are you?
Pretty excited I got Kota to work on it, you know? Yeah.
Kota asking the important questions.
Get some peaches.
In front of me.
Hey, where the ones Junkyard fine. Ah. Got tacos. This is Kota's new project. You got a problem. I don't have the keys. Ah, you didn't lock the door.
There's not many Kota Takahashi around here, bro. With the GTR on the profile pic. Yeah, like that. Rob got tires in the passenger seat, ready to go drift.
What she said?
I dare like that!
I never see someone do this. Oh, Rob's getting SR. Motors in the van. Rob hooked up with his car. We got full parts. SR in there with Trent. Rob got tires stuck on the passenger seat. Late lunch, sugoi sushi. I'm excited. Tonkatsu. We back in the van. Eating lunch again.
Dining in, boys.
With the SR. Itadakimasu!
Itadakimasu! Why you say it together?
Excuse me, sir.
You seem suspicious.
Excuse me?
Seem like you have something in your butt.
So sweaty.
Leather? Alright, let's find his trunk.
An NRG trunk last dude? Leather?
Freaked out about spiders. think that's how it
That's
goes.
what they said.
Crash it into the skyline?
Hey, push it in.
Yeah, now who's tripping?
Can you help us? We're just lifting for nothing.
Alright, here we go.
Put the mat under. Okay. 1, 2.
Oh yeah, a couple SR20s will pull a premium a couple weeks before race wars. Race wars? I don't think he says a couple weeks. Or
Like,
freaking starter food.
you even got engine now.
We're gonna start the car food.
Grab a couple of those. They're in there.
Zoom in it.
Crap. Trying to catch it.
Those are toads, right? Someone said those are toads, not frogs. What's the difference?
To get in the house.
Little fella.
It doesn't. Waterproof.
Hey, get over here.
Got everything down on this side. Now I'm taking diff out to get the 4.6 final gear in. Already started taking the exhaust off. I'm just about to loosen the drive shaft and take axle and drop diff. Just picking up the gear. Tag his link in description. Get gear. Get rowdy. He just put 4.6 final gearing for me. We're gonna go test it out on the next weekend at Grand on stock SR. .46 baby. Gonna shred gnar with this SR20. Stock SR20. This is
Need
all
some
you,
help, bro?
This is all you need. I'm carrying it with my pinky, bro. I got it. Going to James' house. He's gonna help us get 2 discs welded. I put 4.6 in there. Get gear, get rowdy. Got me 4.6 installed, and Josh got stock open diff. James gonna weld it for us. Almost ready for the 4th. What's up?
What's up, dude? You guys jamming all day on the 240?
Yeah, all week.
What's up, bro? What's up, man? How you doing?
James race car. You did all this fab work, right?
Yeah, everything.
That's tight.
So-
Dang, phone. Got it rear.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta feel like even the quarters are completely gutted.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bars are
That's
crazy.
tight. You've been working on it, huh? So
Yeah, I'm real picky, so I've been just trying to make it as good as I can. You know, it's my first time doing a cage.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, of course, bro. Appreciate it.
Welcome back to my channel.
Kota the Yoda out here doing Yoda thing.
Just one thing.
Put new boot on the axle. Then put the 4.6 in. Just gotta put fluid in and install.
Like it's so easy.
So easy. Yoda is gonna do it. Last thing is alignment. Last thing is alignment. Last thing is alignment. I
We
just
finally
do
did
alignment.
the alignment. Here's the car. Stan's car to drift car.
So, Kota drift spec right now.
Yoda spec right now.
Kota spec.
Yoda spec. Raced
We need
it.
to make some Kota the Yoda stickers, bro.
Adjust the camber. And look at that height. Muy delicioso. Beto, what did you do?
I went ahead and swapped out Gabe's trans for second gear was bad. Actually, let me pull out the foot so you guys can see. Got your flashlight, sir? Look at all that.
Oh,
Dang.
yeah.
Who wants some flake for their paint job?
Yeah, Gabe's trend was going out. It didn't blow, but second one started popping out. Gabe's
So we
car
threw
is
the-
almost ready.
So we threw in a trans.
What about my car, dude? My car is freaking finished.
Yeah, no one cares about your car right now, dude.
All I have to do is.
All he has to do was spray paint these little cracks
And trim the
and made more gaps here.
Shut up, dude. I didn't even know that.
Real street ray. Looking alright. We're going to sleep. We have a long day tomorrow.
It's
Other than
3:49 in the morning, dude.
Shut
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Holy crap. I need to go sleep.
this. We don't do sleep here.
I got work in a few hours.
Ah, dude, this is a what? 420-hour shift.
Yeah, dude, you're getting that overtime.
Overtime.
No one's paying you, Kota.
Yeah, we're gonna load this race cars, heading to the Grange tomorrow. And we're gonna camp there, and we're having private event, 20 driver. Be ready, Illuminate.
Oh, okay.